Hi everyone, I am Shivam. Over the last 2 years, we have been working hard to create something that simplifies e-commerce for businesses and entrepreneurs like you. If you ever wanted to start your own e-commerce store but felt overwhelmed by the process or struggled with complicated platforms, Launch My Store is here to change that. Our goal to make e-commerce better for everyone. So let me take you through the platform. I promise I will keep this straight to the point. So let's dive in. First of all, let's head over to launchmystore.io. As you can see, you can either sign up by email or choose Google login. So for now, I will just choose Google login. Click on Google. Choose your account. Here your country will be pre-selected. For now, I will just use United States and enter my store name as Shoe Store. Click on Finish. And that's all. Your store has been initialized. Go to Dashboard and here you can see your store URL. Just click on it and now here is your store created and is visible to the public from this URL. Of course, you can change that. So we are back at our dashboard. So let's start by adding our first product. Click on Add Product. You can either add a single product or you can click this drop down and select Bulk Update Products. You can either choose to migrate from Shopify or WooCommerce, or you can either upload your own CSV file, which should be in LaunchMyStore format. So let's close it for now and click on Add New Product. As you can see, here is a form to add a new product. You will have all the details to be filled to create a product listing. You can also add some variants for your products such as size or colors, or you can also add title tags and meta description for SEO optimizations. As you can see, I have added the product details here, selected its category and added a beautiful description. You can also paste the HTML code by adding and clicking on the source code from the editor, and you can also make it full screen if you like. Here I have added some variants for this product. You can also add more by clicking on Add Variants, selecting one of our predefined options, or you can make an option of your own such as gender and assigning its optional values such as boy or a girl. It can be anything and click on Done. So let's add our product by clicking on Save and Publish. As you can see, the product has been added successfully. You can also edit or duplicate products from here, or you can share it as well on social media platforms listed here. Now let's see how our product looks. All the variants that we have created are showing on your website, and our beautiful description as well. Let's head back to the dashboard to complete step 3. Add payments. From here you can integrate with payment providers such as Stripe, PayPal, cash on delivery, or you can add your own payment method as well, such as manual bank transfer, by defining your method name and giving instructions to your customer. For PayPal, just add your email and you're good to go. For now, I will just click on cash on delivery. Let's head back to our dashboard. And as you can see, all our first initial steps are now completed, and you will see all your dashboard analytics from here. We will be also adding new payment providers such as Aiden, Braintree shortly, and we will be also adding regional payment providers as per customer requirements from across the world. Now let's head to our store builder where the real magic happens. Click on Appearance, go to Customize Theme, As you can see, you can add your store logo and store favicon from here and click on update. Now let's add two sections. As you can see, we have some defined component blocks that were created when you had initialized your store. This is where we have redefined how the landing pages should be built. Let me give an example. This is how our landing page is looking now. Let's start by reordering it. As you can see, it has been reordered. But worry not, if you are technical enough, it can be complex if you want it to be complex by using custom CSS codes if you like. So now let's add new section. Click on add more section. You can choose any section you like. I will just go with banner for now. Click on add. Here you can see all the properties of a banner. You can upload an image or create a banner from the dashboard itself. Now let's add some banners for your store. I have already uploaded one banner. Let's add one more image. As you can see, the banner has been uploaded. You can also customize the height and width of a particular banner and its padding. You can also set the carousel time of a banner. Currently I will set it to 3 seconds. Let's save it. Now we will reorder this to show after the navbar and click on update. Let's see how our store looks now. As you can see, the banner has been uploaded and it's working. Now let's see how you can make use of existing banner properties to create a stunning banner. Just remove all the images. Click on gradient color. Now add your first gradient color. I will choose red, and for second color I will just choose pink or purple. I will keep its height 100. Remove all the other text and give the body color text white. Remove all the other buttons, and as you can see, you have created a stunning banner from existing banner properties. You can change the height and width as per your choice. I will just keep it to 100. Save it and reorder it after featured products. Let's update. Now let's edit some other sections. I will edit this for now. Click on edit. As you can see, we have 5 products added here. You can either change its title text or its description, or you can even disable it if you like. I will just enable this for now. You can also change text colors of the title and description text. You can also change view type from carousel to grid carousel. It will look like this. And you can also add new products from here. You can even select or unselect product listing attributes like this. And you can choose between different types of views that we have available. In future, you can also customize the feel and look of your components, as we are working on a custom solution that will work across all the components, and you can edit it by adding some CSS codes. You can also do the same for categories by selecting different types of views like this or this. You can also choose this, or you can either go with the simple carousel where categories will look like this. for B, and this is for C. You can also customize all the colors and text of this block as per your choice. You can even add carousel timer from here. Here are some other sections blocks that you can add or edit, such as top bar. You can customize all of the top bar properties, or you can go with photo or video, where you can add external video or images, or you can also add newsletter block, where you will receive customer emails, and then you can make a mail list and send them some promotional emails. Or you can also add contact us block, where you will receive customer queries that will be visible in your dashboard. Now let's head over to store page customizations, where you can edit the look and feel of a product detail page as well as category detail page. So let's edit it. Here you can see a custom product which we had added earlier. You can select view C and just update it. And if you go over to your products listing page, as you can see, it is now changed. Let's do it again. Remember, you can also add more products here from this promotional section, and then just change the view. You can also adjust the colors of a product listing page, such as this. Let's update it and see how it looks. We have the product here, and other products that we have added before is showing now. Now let's check the category details page. Click on edit. You will see the first category of your store here. You can click on live preview to check other categories. Now from here you can go to products and click on categories, and you will see all the categories of your store. You can also check this from your website by using this URL, and you will see all the categories of your store. From this page you can add a new category or add a subcategory beneath a category, or you can edit an existing category like this. Here, as you can see, you can add a category media, you can upload banners for that category, or you can create a separate banner for mobile users. Let's add some products in this category like this. As you can see, you also have title, tag and meta description here. All our pages are SEO optimized, so your stores can rank higher on Google. Let's just update it and let's see how it looks like. Click on the category you just add or updated. As you can see, we have all the products that we have just added. You can also check for the mobile banner like this. You can also check for filters. Now, if you want to add new filters in your category, just go to the appearance, store customization, and you will see the filters option here. From here, you can add a new filter. Click on the source, and if you see the product options, these are basically the variants of all your products. Let's just choose size. You can either select all the values, or you can create a group of filters and name it something like size big or anything you like. Let's just create it and add filter. And if you just reopen that category, you will see the size filter is now visible. From category details page, you can select between different types of views. You can either select or unselect category attributes. You can also add product or category text color from here. You can also change the font family for all the pages of your store by moving over to customize theme and going over to fonts and selecting the font of your liking like this and click on update, and you will see the font changes here. As you can see, the font is now changed. If you move over to the tools section of your dashboard, you will see a QR code here that you can use to promote your website. You can also create coupons for your customers by clicking create a coupon. You can create coupons from the types listed below. You can assign a coupon code of your choice. You can add a usage limit per customer, or you can set some conditions if you want to give discount to a customer above a certain amount or above a order quantity. And you can also add maximum discount applicable to that coupon. You can also add plugins for your store by moving over to all apps from App Store. We also have more plugins that are in development and will be available shortly. In your store settings, you can see all your plan details, your billing details, your preferences for your order. You can change this to automatically confirm all your orders when you receive it. You can also add staff accounts from here and assign them manager role, admin role, or from shipping. You can either add an international shipping zone or you can add charges for a domestic delivery charge, which is the same country you have signed up from. Let's take an example of international shipping zone. Click on add shipping zone, select the countries you would like to ship to, click on next, enter a shipping name such as DHL Express. You can set a custom price of your choice and you can set it by simple. You can set it on item weight or you can use based on order price. You can do the same for here, but it will be only applicable if the user and your customer is from the same country you have signed up from. You can also add taxes for your store to stay compliant with your government. If you're in any other country, don't worry, we got your back. We have added tax systems from across the world for you to stay compliant. You can also add extra charges for your store. It can either be based on percentage or on flat price. You can also name the charge such as handling charge and give it a percentage amount such as 10 and click on create. You can also add a custom domain for your store by moving over to domains from settings. Click on connect. Add your domain name such as mystore.cx. Click on verify and connect and you will receive instructions to connect your domain. Just move over to your DNS provider such as Cloudflare or GoDaddy and add a CNAME record in your DNS entry and add the target dns.launchmystore.io and click on save. Click on connect and your domain is now connected. Just move over to your domain now and you will see it's now working. To create menus for your store like this here, you just need to move over to appearance, click on menu. Once you are on menu, click on add menu item and you can add a menu from pages to custom links or from products or categories. For example, I will just add a link here, launchmystore.io, and give it a name, plans. Now let's add a sub menu. In this menu, I will add a product here, and for this product I will add a sub menu. Do the same for footer, and if you see here, you have now successfully added a menu here. Now let's create a dummy order to understand the customer journey and how the merchant would receive the order. I will just buy this product, click on buy now, I have filled all the details as a customer. I can also apply the coupon code or can see the available coupon codes that is created by the merchant. Also, I can here see the shipping method that was created by me a while ago in the video. Let's just select it for now. Click on continue, and as you can see, I have two payment methods here. At first, I can just click on PayPal to show you how it works. The order is now created and have been redirected to PayPal. So I will just cancel it for now, and you can see my payment has been failed. And I will now just use cash on delivery to place my order. As you can see, my order is now placed. Now as a customer, I will click on track your order, and from here I can see all my order details. After the order has been placed, the customer and the merchant would both get a similar order confirmation like this. Merchants can also add webhooks from their dashboard to receive different types of events such as new.order, which they can connect to an existing or external providers such as Zapier to automate some tasks. In your dashboard, you will receive an order like this. You can choose to cancel the order or ship it, and from here you can see all the order details. You can also download receipt of this order, and once you decide to ship it, click on ship order, click on add tracking details in next step, and select your shipping partner, or you can add a shipping partner of your own. I will choose FedEx for now, and after adding the tracking ID, your customer will receive a shipping email.
You can also add pages and blogs for your store from the dashboard or add custom scripts to be shown on the page. Thanks for watching. Sign up today at LaunchMyStore.io.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for lifetime deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.